Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're gonna review this amazing massage bed that I got sent out for an honest review. And let me tell you that I love this brand. Yaheetech, it's really a great brand and it has amazing furniture and home stuff that you won't regret to get it. This is a massage bed that comes with everything. It is portable, it has its case. This is a case so you can grab it and take it with you. And it has this cushion for the head, and it has some Velcro and zipper on it. As you can see, it is really easy to unfold it and open it. You just pull it and it will be ready for you to just put it in the right place. This is for the head and this is for the arms, and this is how it looks when it's folded. And everything that I showed you, you can put it just inside here. Okay, so now let's just open it and put it together. It looks like a suitcase actually. It has the very strong handles that you can use it so you can grab it and take it with you. It has also these parts so you can put it on the floor without it being actually damaged or touching the floor. Now let's put every piece together. It is very easy to open. It has wood on the massage bed legs, and this is for the head, of course. Let's just put together everything here. Okay, it has these levels as well, so you can put it taller or shorter as you wish. And let's just put the arms here. You just pull these and you will insert these in these little holes right here and put it right here. Just push it and it will stand very well. Now these are for the arms. Now let's put the part for the head that holds the head. Now you're supposed to be looking to the floor when you are getting a massage on the back of your body, so these will be used for that, to hold your head. Now this is the part that the metallic part, but it has some Velcro right here. You will be adjusting it, and then you will be putting your pillow on top on this one. Okay, so now that you have your pillow right here, let's put this one, that this actually will be just to hold either your phone or your stuff. It will be like a little table that you will be putting your stuff on top of this one while you're getting a massage, your personal stuff. This is how you will be putting it right here. Let's just remove these from here so you can actually put it inside this part right here. Now let's test it and see how it holds the weight of an actual grown-up, and see how you will look like, or kind of the height. Now the other side, and this is how you will put your head on and your arms, and it looks really nice and comfy. It is all cushioned. So now let's just put it all back so you can see how easy it is for you to put it back how it was, like a suitcase. Okay, so now just let's just fold everything, and you can decide if you want to choose to put them everything in the bags like it was before. And it has these straps under the bed where you will be putting all the other extra stuff that you're using, and the other one right here, and it will be folded completely, and you can close it very well and secure it with these locks. Now let's just put the case that it had, which is amazing because it will keep your massage bed protected from anything, bugs, dirt, water.